Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, Windows cannot modify the drive letter of your volume. Type Manage in Windows search bar. Click Computer Management. Click Disk Management. I want to change drive letter D to E. Error displayed, Windows cannot modify the drive letter of your volume. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand mounted devices. Right-click your drive letter key. Click Rename. Type your drive letter. Close and exit registry. Restart your computer. Type Manage in Windows search bar. Click Computer Management. Click Disk Management. Drive letter changed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.